Hey, my name is Marta, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Toronto. My research focused on the intersection of AI and chemistry. So I'm motivated by the problem of, let's say we have some target function that we want a molecule to have. For example, it binds to a specific protein, maybe it has a specific color. How do we design molecules that have that function? And this is a really tricky problem in chemistry because the chemical space is so big, we can't possibly walk through all of it and try out every single combination of atoms. So I've been looking at using AI to help us accelerate this process. But there are a number of different challenges when using AI in this domain. So specifically, I've been looking at different generative models, which have shown a lot of success in fields like images and natural language. But in chemistry, there are some additional challenges because we need the outputs of the generative models to be physically accurate, so the molecule needs to exist in real life. We also need the molecules to be synthesizable, so a chemist needs to be able to take the output and then go make it in the lab. And we also need to encode potentially multiple different constraints for the molecule to have. So maybe we want to generate a drug that binds to one or multiple proteins. We can't quite stop there. The molecule also needs to be non-toxic. Maybe we want it to smell like vanilla. So encoding all of these different things or figuring out how to isolate molecules that have the properties that we want can be quite challenging. So I've been working on developing different methods to do this throughout my PhD. We've been looking at language models, evolutionary algorithms, and more recently diffusion models. And I've also been looking at how we can take these models and connect them to systems like self-driving labs, so it can automatically make some of the outputs that our models are proposing. So if any of this is of interest to you, then please go ahead and check out my website for more, and thank you for listening.